In the bustling streets of Dakar, a culinary adventure unfolds with vibrant scents filling the air. Street vendors skillfully prepare mouth-watering dishes like tiboudien, a flavorful fish and rice dish garnished with vegetables. A crowd gathers around a cart serving beurre, a traditional meat pie that bursts with savory goodness. A lively atmosphere is enhanced by cheerful laughter and the rhythmic beat of local music, inviting all to indulge. This celebration of food not only nourishes the body, but also strengthens community bonds with every shared meal.